So this is a piece of oak lumber. It is about 2 feet long, about a ½ inch thick, about 3 inches wide. And it's got some water on it. I just milled this, and I've been wanting to make a video about how I actually do this. So here's the time lapse. Yep. This video is sped up a little, looks a little more dangerous than it is, but there are some things that, if you don't know, that trying to do this, well, you will get gravely injured. So this is not an instructional video. This is the current partial wood pile. Probably about half the collection, I think. There's stuff in boxes, but we can see things like this tamarisk board. It's pretty darn straight. Maybe a little curve in there in the end. But there's also lots of this black locust. And these are from Moab. And there's Russian olive. This black locust is really hard stuff, very dense. Will be good, has good use around water. It's gonna go into the boat. All of this is gonna go into the boat. So we've got tons of these little guys of various types in there. There's probably 5 species in there. That's for doing mosaics. And there's Russian olive. And this is the tamarisk, main tamarisk collection. These are going to go into paneling out countertops and boat walls and things like that. And there's more tamarisk there. There's some big long ones and Russian olive pieces, and it's quite a lot more of this black locust, which is this right here as well. And that's a very nice board. Yeah, all very fun. And there's a piece of cedar here. That's a piece of driftwood from Oregon. And we got a little purple heart from the internet, some black walnut. Yeah, and like I said, there's quite a lot more stuff. And all this is the collection for the Sailboat remodel. Going to do a bathroom. We're excited, working on a wooden sink at the moment. That's going to be epoxy and wood. Should be rad. We'll see how it goes.